Meet the ultimate playtime companion for your furry friend, the Barhomo Interactive Ball toy. So the ball comes with 2 dynamic modes, a gentle irregular rolling for those calm moments, and the crazy bouncy mode for those energy-packed plays. Ooh. So the ball comes with a smart sensor which allows it to stop and start through touch activation. So a nudge from your dog will do the trick. And the great thing about the toy is that it comes with USB-C charging and battery for quick charge and lasting playtime. So 2-hour charging will last 4 hours. It's built to last, but it's still not safe for aggressive chores without any supervision. Indoor play or outdoor fun, it has IP54 waterproof rating, so light rain or splashes of water should be okay. Each pack comes with a removable plush cover, so like this one. So for those who like the softer material, and Miro really loves it. It's not just a toy, but endless hours of fun, so I would highly recommend.